Hello guys, this is the POV testing, so you can check how does it look like. So you can see in front of me. Let's go to check out. You can go from there and come back.
We're over there. Okay.
So you can see me now is very sunshine. So how it look like in this comments below. Check out. Okay. Take one of the picture. So check how it looks like.